Now we are going to explain from the maxima and minima. One of the question I have taken. So in this question, it is given that a point in the hypotenuse of a right angle triangle is at a distance A and B from the sides of a right angle triangle. So that the minimum length of the hypotenuse is a to the power 2 by 3 plus b to the power 2 by 3 whole to the power 3 by 2. This we have to show. Means we will have to show the length of the hypotenuse is minimum. So length is the function. We have to show length is minimum. Okay, minimum means local minimum. Now it is given that the sides of the right angle triangle are other than hypotenuse are perpendicular and base. So their distance from A and B are A and their distance, the point which lies on hypotenuse, and the distance of the point from the sides are A and B from perpendicular or from base. So now I am taking a right angle triangle over here. ABC, whose one angle is 90 degree, and the hypotenuse is AC. Here AC is hypotenuse, and suppose the point is taken as P. The point is taken as P, and we will draw the perpendicular from the point. So suppose PM is perpendicular on the base, and from here we will draw a perpendicular PN. So this, and one side is the point distance from, suppose base is A, and the point distance from AB is B. Okay. Now let P be the point, P be any point on hypotenuse AC. PM perpendicular to BC, PN perpendicular to AB, and according to question it is given PM is equal to A and PN is equal to B, and here AC is hypotenuse, okay? And we have to show the hypotenuse will be minimum and the hypotenuse is equal to this. Suppose this angle is taken as theta. Now we know that this 90 degree and this angle is 90 degree, angle N is equal to angle M. Both are corresponding angle. The corresponding angles are equal. Corresponding angles. So both are equal to 90 degree, and therefore PN is parallel to BC. PN is parallel to BC. Now angle C is equal to angle P, because if the lines are parallel, other pair of corresponding angles are also equal. So this is also equal to theta. Okay. Now this is. Now here, suppose we have to find AP. In triangle APM. In triangle APM, if you will take cos theta, so cos theta, we will get base by hypotenuse. So base is B. Why we are taking cos theta? Because here we have to relate the hypotenuse with A and B. So AP is one of the part of the hypotenuse. So B by base by hypotenuse AP. Now we can write AP is equal to B by cos theta from here. So this is taken as 1. Now in other triangle, in this triangle, in triangle PCM, in this triangle is also theta. So again we will take here perpendicular is A. So we will take sin theta over here. Sin theta is equal to, why we are taking sin theta? Because PC is one of the part of the hypotenuse. Therefore, we will take perpendicular here is PM by PC. Okay, and now PM is A. It is given in the question. So PC. So sin theta, it is equal to A by PC. Now PC can be written as A by sin theta. A by sin theta. This is taken as 2. So up to this we have done. So now we are rubbing this. Now we have to show AC is minimum. AC is minimum and also the value of AC. So we can write from the figure AC is equal to AP plus PC. AP plus PC. So AP is equal to here B by cos theta and PC is equal to A by sin theta. A by sin theta. So now AC is equal to this. So if we will remove cos theta, it is B sec theta and it is A cos sec theta. A cos sec theta. AC is equal to this. So now here A and B are given, so they are constant. So we have to find out the point of local maxima or local minimum. So for finding the point of local minima here, or we can take critical point also, because there is slope is equal to 0. So now we are rubbing this. So differentiate AC with respect to theta, because theta is the variable here. So differentiating B sec theta plus A cos sec theta. This is the function. So now this is equal to B constant sec theta, differentiation sec theta into tan theta, and now it is A and it is minus cos sec theta into cot theta. So it becomes negative minus A cos sec theta into cot theta. So dAC by dt is equal d theta is equal to this. Now we will have to, this is taken as 3. So equating this is equal to 0. So B sec theta into tan theta minus A cos sec theta into cot theta. This. Now we will find find this, we will bring it in this side. इसको हम यहाँ लाते हैं. A cosec theta into cot theta, it is equal to B sec theta into tan theta. B sec theta into tan theta. Now here we are bringing it A. This is 1 by sin theta. This is cos theta by sin theta. B. This is 1 by cos theta again. This is sin theta by cos theta. So nothing is going to cancel. So bringing A by B in one side. So A by B is equal to sin theta and sin theta. So here is sin cube theta. And this will come in the denominator. So it is cos cube theta. So now we know that it is tan cube theta. It is tan cube theta. I am just so tan cube theta is equal to A by B. Then tan theta is equal to A by B to the power 1 by 3. Now this is coming. So now again here we have to find out sin theta and cos theta in terms of tan theta, in terms of A and B. So we know that sec square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. So sec square theta is equal to 1 plus tan square theta. It is nothing but 1 by cos square theta. So 1 plus, in place of tan theta we will put the value here. So A by B to the power 1 by 3 into 2, because here power is 2. So it is equal to 1 plus A to the power 2 by 3 and B to the power 2 by 3. If you will take LCM, B to the power 2 by 3 plus A to the power 2 by 3 divided by B to the power 2 by 3, 1 by cos square theta. So if you will take the reciprocal, so cos square theta is equal to B to the power 2 by 3 by, we can write A to the power 2 by 3 plus B to the power 2 by 3. So this is taken as suppose 4 or 5. Similarly we will find from the relation cosec square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1, as we know from the trigonometric identity. So cosec square theta is equal to 1 plus cot square theta, and it is equal to 1 by tan square theta. In place of tan theta we will put A by B to the power 1 by 3. So it is A by B to the power 2 by 3. 2 by 3 will come, and therefore if you will simplify it, B to the power 2 by 3 plus A to the power 2 by 3, and this will become 1 plus B to the power 2 by 3 by A to the power 2 by 3. So this can be written as A to the power 2 by 3 plus B to the power 2 by 3 to the upon 2 by 3, A to the power 2 by 3. Now again we will take the reciprocal. Now we are having this portion. This is also. So it is cosec square theta. So this can be written as 1 by sin square theta. 1 by sin square theta. So we will take the reciprocal. Sin square theta is equal to a to the power 2 by 3 by a to the power 2 by 3 plus b to the power 2 by 3. This. So this is taken as 6 height. I am taking 6. Now the length AC is equal to AP plus PB, and here we have written B sec theta plus it is A cosec theta. This. So from here and here we will find it. So if we will find sec, if we will write here 1 by, this is cos theta and this is A by sin theta. So here if we will take sin theta only, so it is whole to the power a to the power 2 by 3 divided by a to the power 2 by 3 and b to the power 2 by 3 to the power half. This. And from here cos theta is equal to b to the power 2 by 3 a to the power 2 by 3 plus b to the power 2 by 3 whole to the power half. So here we will substitute b by, here we will substitute b to the power 2 by 3 divided by a to the power 2 by 3 plus b to the power 2 by 3 is whole to the power half. And then from here only the difference sin theta is here. So a divided by a to the power 2 by 3 divided by a to the power 2 by 3 plus b to the power 2 by 3 and then whole to the power half. Whole to the power half. This. Now we will simplify. Now here we will simplify. So here b by b to the power half will be multiplied here, so 1 by 3, and here half is multiplied over here a to the power 1 by 3. This is also multiplied here plus here it is multiplied, so it is a plus sign, so we can write a to the power 2 by 3 plus b to the power 2 by 3 whole to the power half. Okay, and now in the same way a divided by here 2 cancel, here we will not cancel because it is plus sign, so it is a to the power 1 by 3 by a to the power 2 by 3 plus b to the power 2 by 3 to the power half. To the power half. So now we are coming next. Just taking. So it is equal to b a to the power 2 by 3 plus b to the power 2 by 3 whole to the power half divided by b to the power 1 by 3 plus a to the power 2 by 3 plus b to the power 2 by 3 whole to the power half and a to the power 1 by 3. Now here the power is 1. and here is also the power is 1. So if we will divide, subtraction takes place, so it is b to the power 2 by 3, and now two by 3 and a to the power 2 by 3 plus b to the power 2 by 3 whole to the power half, and then plus here again it is this and this is divided, a to the power 1 and divided by a to the power 2 by 1 by 3, so a to the power 2 by 3, and now a to the power 2 by 3 plus a to the power 2 by 3 whole to the power half. Now here this is the common factor, so if we will take a to the power 2 by 3 and b to the power 2 by 3 common, we get b to the power 2 by 3 plus a to the power 2 by 3. So both are same. So we can write both are not same. Here is half. Here is half, so here is 1. So a to the power 2 by 3 plus b to the power 2 by 3 is equal to the power half plus 1. So a to the power 2 by 3 plus b to the power 2 by 3 whole to the power 3 by 2. So this is the length of the hypotenuse which we have to show. But we have to show also the length will be minimum. So we have just I will just draw a rough diagram of the question, because we have rubbed P, this is taken as A and this is taken as B. Now it is B, this is theta and this is also theta, this is also theta, AC. So AC is equal to here cos theta, so B, it is cos theta is equal to B by AP. So B sec theta, and it is sin theta is equal to A by PC. So PC is equal to A cosec theta. This was the function, and here we have find it out d AC by dt is equal to B sec theta into tan theta minus A cosec theta into cot theta. This. Now again we will find out the second order derivative, d square AC by d theta square. We will do the b, and again it is equal to again we will take u into v, so sec theta tan theta differentiation sec cube theta plus tan theta, and it is sec theta into tan theta, this, and now minus A cosec theta means minus cosec theta into cot theta, and if we will take cot theta only, if we will take cosec theta, and then it is equal to minus cosec square theta, again it is in bracket, now plus cot theta, then into minus cosec theta into cot theta, minus cosec theta into cot theta. So if you will simplify this, if you will simplify, it will come positive. Here B, it is sec square theta, so sec cube theta it is, and then plus tan square theta sec theta, and then this is minus minus plus, so minus A, it is plus cosec square cosec cube theta minus cosec theta into cot square theta. Cot square theta. Here might be some minus sign. Here cosec theta we are taking common, so it is not minus. So it will be here will be minus. So this minus, if we will take here, here minus common, the whole thing becomes positive. Whole thing becomes positive. Therefore, d square AC by d theta square is greater than 0. Therefore, AC is minimum when the value of AC, we have already calculated over here, it is equal to a to the power 2 by 3 plus b to the power 2 by 3 whole to the power 3 by 2. So this is the answer. Thank you. I think you will understand a little bit confusion because the board is small as well as my problem. I will rectify myself. Thank you.